If you're working with the brush tool in Affinity and nothing happens when you brush on the page, the reason could be a feature called Protect Alpha. Let me show you what I mean. So here I've got my new document. I'll add a new layer by clicking right here. Then I'll select the brush tool, select the color, and when I try to paint on the page, nothing happens. Now if I go to the context toolbar up here at the top, you'll see this feature called Protect Alpha is turned on. And since it's on, I cannot paint anything because the layer is completely transparent. To be able to paint, I just need to disable Protect Alpha, so I'll turn it off, and now I can paint on it. So basically, Protect Alpha is a feature that prevents you from painting on a transparent layer. Unless there are existing pixels on the layer, you simply cannot paint on it. Let me undo everything to get back to the start. I'll add a new layer, and with the brush tool still selected, I'll make sure Protect Alpha is off. I'll paint a simple circle right here, and then turn Protect Alpha back on. Let me change the color. Now if I try to paint over the page, see what's happening? The paint only applies on the pixel circle. The rest of the area, which is transparent, is locked and cannot be painted on at all. And that's actually the whole point of Protect Alpha. It lets you add colors or brushwork without going outside the boundaries of your existing pixels. So you can paint freely without worrying about accidentally going outside the lines. Now one thing worth mentioning, Protect Alpha doesn't work with vector shapes. Let me show you what I mean. I'll select the ellipse tool, draw a shape, and change the color to orange. Then I'll grab the brush tool, make sure Protect Alpha is turned on, and change the brush color to red. Now if I try to paint, nothing happens. So to make it work, I need to convert the vector shape to pixels first. I right-click on the layer and select Rasterize. Now I can paint on it just fine. So just keep that in mind. If Protect Alpha isn't working on your shape, chances are it's still a vector. Just rasterize it and you're good to go. Anyway, I hope that helped clear up how Protect Alpha works. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!